Hey everyone, walking isn't always an option. Public transportation is erratic, and traffic congestion makes commuting a pain. But what if there was an e-bike that was strong enough to go for a week on a single charge and light enough to carry upstairs? The MapFour N1 Air ST is now available. However, is it really that good? Let's investigate. Although e-bikes are increasingly commonplace, MapFour is using a different strategy. ENU has launched a new commuter-focused brand with the goal of providing urban riders with luxury carbon fiber e-bikes without the typical premium price tag. At this price range, a full carbon e-bike is revolutionary. With a carbon fiber frame, a 100-kilometer range, and intelligent security features, the N1 Air ST is made to be lightweight, effective, and useful, easy to transport and ride. Does it, however, live up to the expectations? The weight is the first thing that is noticeable right out of the box. This is among the lightest e-bikes on the market, weighing only 16.4 kilograms. It is astounding that the carbon fiber frame, which is 11 times stronger than aluminum and naturally absorbs vibrations from the road, weighs only 1.28 kilograms. The 250-watt rear hub motor has been tuned for efficient and comfortable city riding. When you begin pedaling, it engages gradually, preventing the abrupt jerks that some e-bikes have. The motor easily maintains speed on level ground. It will be required to change gears and apply more pedal power on steeper hills. For city travels, the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain is the best option since it guarantees seamless transitions. Another important feature is battery life. Although actual usage varies, the MapFour N1 Air ST may travel up to 100 kilometers between charges, while high assist or mountainous routes will reduce it to about 70 to 80 kilometers. Cyclists can reach nearly the entire range on low assist and flat terrain. Overnight charging is a practical choice because charging takes 5 to 8 hours. For people who live in apartments or don't want to carry their full bike inside, the detachable battery is a fantastic feature. The solar-powered backlight is a pleasant extra that guarantees visibility even in the event that the primary battery runs low. Similar to Apple's Find My feature, GPS tracking enables riders to locate bike in real time using the N-Way app. MapFour N1 Air ST manages city roads exceptionally well for vehicle without suspension. A smoother ride results from the carbon fiber frame's ability to absorb small vibrations. 700C tires offer superior traction on bike lanes, tarmac, and somewhat uneven terrain. Effective braking is essential for city transportation, particularly in stop-and-go traffic. The MapFour N1 Air ST has 160mm rotor mechanical disc brakes. The bike is steady and manageable even when stopping suddenly, and the stopping distance is appropriate. Riding an e-bike in the real world is the best way to assess it. Some things become evident after a whole day aboard the MapFour N1 Air ST. Stability and agility are balanced in the handling, which comes naturally. The MapFour N1 Air ST is shockingly inexpensive, remarkably light, and remarkably robust. The bike is only $1,299 during its early bird promotion. It is strongly advised that individuals who are interested in purchasing one take advantage of the special rate. With its premium carbon fiber frame, effective motor, and clever security features, the MapFour N1 Air ST lives up to its claims at a reasonable cost. The N1 Air ST is an appealing choice whether you're an urban commuter or just searching for a fashionable and lightweight e-bike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.